Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add a QR code to your invoice here in QuickBooks. So first is you just have to log in to your QuickBooks account. Okay, and then once you're here, you just have to tap on the create option. After that, just go to the invoice. That's right. And then here, you just have to decide what the QR code will do. So link to a payment page like QuickBooks Pay, PayPal, or Stripe, or you can link this one to your website or invoice. You can also use a free QR code generator if you want to, and then you just have to download the QR code as an image. After that, you just have to go to your invoice, so right here. So if you are using a template here in your invoice. We just have to manage the template. So tap on the edit template. After that, just go to the logo images or section. So right here. So let me just remove that QR code. So tap on the add logo. And then you just have to select your QR code. Okay, and then you'll be able to see that right here. After that, you just have to tap on the save off option or review and send this invoice. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.